them three, all those kids help you in life. Once you have parents, I tease my dad all the time because I always made it seem like he wasn't the reason why I am saying. He knows he is. But I just thank them because as a child, you see things and you just pick up what they've done, what they do around the world, what they do in the house. If you have a bad house, your children will act bad. So parents, you need to straighten up unless you want your child to do the same thing you once did. So parents, you have to show and be a right example to your children or they will pick up the same habit, the same bloodline spirit as it was when you were a child. So I mean, it's not just the youth, it's the parents as well. The kids pick up spirits and habits from their parents. They don't just pick it up from the street. It happens in the house as well. So parents, if you want your child to be successful, be here in the church. God promised me lots of things. As a child now, I'm supposed to be, God promised me that I should be able to go to any school of my choice, any college of my choice. And I believe God, you have to have faith. Even though things, tests and trials come, people bring you down, things don't always happen like you want it to be, you still have to keep God first. And if you keep God first, everything will fall into place. So all you have to do is keep God first and you will be great. Amen.